Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.
There were worrying reports that the N440K variant of the coronavirus was fast spreading in the southern part of India and was reportedly 15 times more infectious than the other strains. Is this true? Scientists at the Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology have now said that while the N440K was spreading a lot more in the southern part of India compared to other variants that exist earlier this year, it is now being replaced by the B1617 variant, which is also known as the double mutant. Former CCMB director Rakesh Mishra, in fact, said that the double mutant is now a dominant variant in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and even Telangana. Rakesh Mishra also said, quoted in a report by The Print earlier, that there is no evidence to suggest that the N440K variant is deadlier or even more infectious than other COVID-19 strains. The N440K was a mutation where the N amino acid at the 440th position on the spike protein changed to K. Now, such mutations are not extraordinary and happen as the virus tries to escape the body's immune response. According to a paper that has not been peer-reviewed and published by the lab a few days ago, the researchers observed that the N440K variant grows faster in a culture, but that doesn't mean that it will behave the same way in a human body, which is an entire system in itself and where there is an immune response as well. Mishra said infectivity cannot be inferred from what happens in a culture cell, which is a different kind of animal cell altogether created in a laboratory. The authors of the papers have also taken to Twitter to clarify on their preprint issue. The N440K variant had particularly sparked concerns in Visakhapatnam, where it was believed to be spreading much faster. However, the researchers debunked the reports of a specific Andhra Pradesh strain or a Vizag strain. However, according to Dr. P.V. Sudhakar, the Visakhapatnam District COVID-19 Special Officer and Principal of the Andhra Medical College, the incubation period is shorter, progression of infection leading to severe symptoms is faster in patients who are infected with COVID-19 in Visakhapatnam in particular. However, he has cautioned to remember that this is an observation and it does not mean that anyone can yet quantify or assess if the strain is in fact more virulent. More research is needed at this point to prove anything conclusively, but just as before and in the second wave now, the protection against the virus remains the same. Wear double masks, social distance, and follow the best hygiene practices.